Level 7, Intermediate. Little Red Riding Hood. Little Red Riding Hood always wore a red cloak that her grandmother had made for her. One day, her mother asked her to take a basket of food to Grandma, who was sick. Before she left, her mother warned her not to stop or speak to strangers. But on her way through the forest, a wolf appeared. He asked where she was going, and she told him. The wolf ran ahead, swallowed Grandma, and disguised himself in her clothes. When Little Red Riding Hood arrived, she noticed something strange. "Grandma, what big eyes you have," she said. "Better to see you with," answered the wolf. "Grandma, what big ears you have. Better to hear you with." "Grandma, what big teeth you have. Better to eat you with," growled the wolf, jumping at her. Just then, a woodcutter burst in and killed the wolf. Grandma was saved, and Little Red Riding Hood learned never to trust strangers again.